to Steph'Ney Thames. May she have fair winds, following seas, and a deck always full of fish.
This side does the lithium battery, and them two wire together and go to the lead acid. Then we have two Victron charge controllers here. A little bit different from how other mono wind vanes are set up.
On our last couple of days in Sooke, we had a visit from Bill's mum and youngest sister Katie and her family. The kids love their new life jackets and being on the boat. We're just pulling out of Jenkins Marine now, and yeah, we're just going to get out of here, and then at high tide tomorrow we'll be able to leave the basin and start all our travels, so that'll be exciting. Video them as well. Whilst we had an extra helping hand, Bill's brother-in-law helped us navigate off the dock, ready with the boat hook to avoid the pylons. Once we were out of the dock, we anchored up in the Sooke Basin, ready to leave in the morning. So just as planned, we set out of the basin the next day, around to our next anchorage in Becher Bay, to continue our circumnavigation of Vancouver Island.
And then
This turned out to be a beautiful anchorage with lots of wildlife. After a good night's sleep, we set off on a 26 nautical mile journey past Victoria through the shipping lanes until our anchorage at Darcy Island. We're just coming out of here. I'm going to head up and round. We're off again.
see ya.
Okay. Just over there is Victoria. So we're just going past that now. And we've got the shipping lanes going across here. All these guys. And ahead is Mount Baker, which you can probably just see over there. Heading straight towards. Just trying to figure out where this guy's going. This is the Coho ferry, which we went on when we first ever came to Vancouver Island from the States. It's going to Port Angeles.
You start turning now. Starboard. Get some waves up this one.
Yeah. Okay, here's a clip for you, Brian. Rollers from the ferry. Oh yeah.
Speedboat.
8.
There's other sailboats with the dinghies up. Making good time, so might as well
Yeah.
make the most of it, eh?
So we're getting the mizzen out. So that's the sail above me here. We do have a ketch, so gives us a lot more options for sailing. And this will be the first time we actually get this out while sailing as well, so it's pretty cool. I don't know if you can hear through this waterproof case, but there's nice silence now the engine's off.
Car's stuck. Stuck on the stay.
Okay.
There we go. Nice.
Oh, she's up. Let's see if my little window here. If anyone can shed light on the fact of why our telltales on our mainsail are rope, and whether they're the original, because it says P365 on the sail. I don't know if it's the original sail or what, but I don't know. I feel like the rope telltales are not doing anything. They're too heavy. They're not telling us any tales, basically. No, this is the first time I was putting this up. We know it's not perfect, but enough anyway for what we need. The mainsail. And our Genoa at the front there. Oh, Genoa's laughing a little bit, but... Ooh-wee. There we go. All 3 of our babies up there. This is so cool. So happy.
Doctor, is there any injuries on board, and how is the water traffic?
Yeah, go put it in. It's got stuck underneath
Oh,
the.
And then let me go. It's got caught on something on the
Yeah.
dinghy.
That's enough.
Yeah. It doesn't look right because that rope's like, I'm all out of breath because of like the excitement.
Yeah.
Shall I loosen this one then? I can see it where it is. This bit here, yeah?
Yeah, if you can, loosen it. It'll just give us a bit more shape in the sail.
Channel 16 with the new assistant standing by.
We're actually sailing with all of our sails up. Nice and silent. Did it, Bill?
Right, ready?
Ready?
Roger, roger.
We can just keep this course with the tide. Hopefully.
What was that, Bill?
Flying along. Surfing. We'll turn the steering a minute, isn't it?
Yeah, can do.
Safety Island.
Yeah. There's a fly on my camera. Go away.
You're a lighter, do it.
That's where we're going. Going straight there. Going up to this one here.
Yeah, I can do this till 6 o'clock, then we'll put the engine back on for the last hour.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Then we'll get up there.
What's the time? Oh, what's the time now?
It's 5:20. Yeah, we've got a nice gust tomorrow afternoon.
Oh.
So we can get the sails out and we'll sail up to Sydney.
British Columbia, clean a couple, good.
successful 2 tacks. Gosh.
2 tacks down, many more to come. We have friends back on land, but we've just decided to turn around and we're going to head back to mainland. There's a little bit of a whirring noise on the engine.